Hey traders, I only have time to do a quick video, but I just wanted to highlight two things. Uh, when we look at this Euro trade, okay, we kind of have to understand. Let me get rid of these signals. All right, there's two main cycles that we really want to focus on. So here we have the weekly cycle up on the Euro, weekly cycle down, weekly cycle across back up. Okay, the slow stochastic's not about oversold, overbought. We use it as an oscillation of time. So it's a cyclical motion that we care about. Um, so we look at the weekly cycles, the daily cycles, and you guys know that when we cycled back up here Friday, not a lot of people wanted to sell the euro. All right, the bottom of the risk range is 105, top end is 107. But this is when, on a Friday when no one's around, you get back to the top end of the risk range. We actually tagged it on Sunday, or it was early Monday morning. But we got rewarded for those sales. So I wanted to highlight that we came and cycled all the way back to the pie line. So you want to be covering some of your euro, euro versus the dollar short, maybe against some of the other pairs as well. I mean, euro pound came off. All right, and the other euro pair I want to highlight is euro versus New Zealand dollar. And just like euro pound, we had to be patient the last week as the weekly cycle continued to move higher. And we talked about you did not have lower lows. You gotta be patient with your size if you're gonna go contrarian short. Well, it's been the same thing here with Euro Kiwi, and I know a lot of you have been trying to work into core short. So today I doubled my core short, and this is where I started. I put a little piece out here. You can see this was only 200,000, and I've been selling million lots up here lately. Okay, so this is my average cost, this red line. This is slowly moving up. But we talk about this all the time on our trading team, and this is what we call a swing line setup. And right here, you get a small topping tail. I guess you can call it a tombstone. There's different names. But that little wick is showing you some exhaustion by the bulls right after a long run. Right? And then I like that today we took out the low of yesterday's low. So I doubled my position on this chunk that I sold here. Stop goes right above the high. Okay? And then we're going to get more aggressive now, and this is for everybody to see. You can watch how we're going to trade this and how this plays out. All right, here's the hourly chart. We finally broke down below these higher lows. All right, boom, boom, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Crack the TMS. All right, so guys, the next rally is shortable. We're going to sell into that, and we're going to start getting more aggressive intermediate term, and then when we're up and trading London, we're trading the morning session and the New York session, we're going to be more aggressive looking for shorts on the 5-minute, 15-minute, and 1-minute. Okay? So let's really pay attention to Euro Kiwi going forward, and we'll talk to you guys in the morning. If you're interested in joining our team, I encourage you just to check out our site, follow us, jenkinsrm.com. We have several ways to get involved with us. Real-time alerts product. Full access is my trading team. You have access to all our services. We trade together 24/7 in the live room. All right, I teach you the model. We have 9 hours of training on demand video, whole archive of training videos. That's what this is about. This is our trading course. If you don't want to join the full access team, you don't want to trade together, but you just want to learn. We do some stuff on options, and then this is just our upcoming webinars. Anyways, guys, this is some of the results. This is in our real-time alerts product. I'm just highlighting a few of our trades here on the euro. All right, this is us day trading. This is me covering a little bit of euro yen, 540 bucks. This was the euro covering piece of our core short from last week. Euro pound, we signaled sell this morning, pretty much near the high, covered on the cycle back down. You don't have to overcomplicate things. But we actually here on euro pound, we talked about this was probably a high last week. Then we sold off. We talked about this was probably a good location that you're going to get a higher low. And if that's the case, that we could move back towards the 30 here on the hourly and or retest these highs. We retested the highs, you double topped. But we sold this morning and then covered later in the afternoon. Right? So there was almost another $1,000 here. Here's me talking about Euro Kiwi that I just explained. Here's me covering the Euro again later in the day, 2,300 bucks. All right. I show you guys this real time. I show you my size so you get to learn how to work a position, scaling in, scaling out, or add and reduce method, all that good stuff. So anyway, guys, check this out. I look forward to seeing you in the chat room. We'll talk to you in the morning.